Guys, today we are back with another problem. Today's particular problem statement is finding the largest pair sum in an array of distinct integers. Make sure you guys like, share and subscribe to the channel. It helps me put more amazing content for you guys. So let us understand this particular problem statement. Let us understand this particular problem statement. So the problem statement is saying that we have to find the largest pair sum. Pair means a pair is known as x comma y, and we have to find x comma y such that the summation of x comma y is maximum. Okay, so how we can do that? So it's a very simple problem. We have an array. The indexes I will write. Okay, so this array has 5 elements. Starting from 0 based indexing, we can see there are 4. So 12, 34, 10, 6 and 40. So what are the pairs which are largest? So pairs which are largest means the largest pair is obviously the one you can see. So if you apply a linear search to find this value is large, this value is large, it will take a greater time complexity to find the largest pair. And again, you have to find the second largest element in order to do the sum to get this. So what you see, the largest value is 40 and the second largest value is 34. So I'm getting a sum of 74. But should I use a linear search to do this? Can it be done more efficiently? Yes, it can be done more efficiently. If I just simply sort these values, what I'll get exactly is 6, 10, 12, 34 and 40. So if I sort these values, I can just take out the last element and the second last element and do the sum That's it, and I will get my answer. That's how simple it is. Okay, so let us see the algorithm. We have to sort the entire array, extract array of length minus 1. Array of length minus 1 is nothing but the largest value, and array of length minus 2 is nothing but the second largest value, and we have to do the sum. But the question comes, what type of sorting algorithm are we going to use? Can we use the inbuilt sort method? Yes, we can use the inbuilt sort method, as it will pass all the test cases. But we should also be careful that there are other sorting algorithms. We can use a bubble sort, we can use a merge sort as well. But we will not use bubble sort because it has higher time complexity and it will not pass all the test cases. Rather, we will be using merge sort. This is best and safest sort possible. It will get your job done in n log n time. Okay. Also, we should be careful that some test and some company exams do not allow inbuilt sorting methods. So you should always know the merge sort technique in hand in order to solve any sorting problems. Okay. So let us go and see the solution of this particular problem. So as you guys can see over here, that we have to first, let me just show you how we can solve this. Okay. So we have given this thing. So I can just write arrays dot sort using the inbuilt function. Okay. And I am doing an int sum equals to array of arr dot length minus 1 plus array of arr dot length minus 2, and I can return the summation. So in this case, if I just compile this particular code, what I will get is it's passing all the test cases. So let me submit this code and check whether it really passes the test cases or not. So after checking this, yes, it has passed all the test cases. But what if in the company doesn't allow you to give an inbuilt sort? What should we use in that case? So just I am going to remove this particular sort function. Okay, and over here I will apply the bubble sort technique. So I can write like this void. I can write like this static void static void bubble sort. Okay, and I will pass the array. Okay, and once I have passed the array, I can just iterate through the length of the array. Int I equals to 0, I less than of n. N is nothing but my array of length, I plus plus. Okay. Similarly, I will just use the inner loop j equals to 0, j less than of array of length minus I minus 1 and j plus plus. And once that is done, I will just check whether array of j is lesser than array of j plus 1. So in this case, I will just swap the values. Temp equals to array of j and array of j equals to array of j plus 1 and array of j plus 1 equals to temp. Okay, temp, and over here I can just call the bubble sort to entirely sort this particular array. Okay, so let me just check whether it works or not. sometimes the compilation takes a little bit more time, so there is some mistake. I have to just do this. Let me just check. Yeah, now the condition works. Now I'll submit this particular code. Over here you guys can see I have made a mistake. J has to be greater than j plus 1, that's why it's working. But now it is saying your program took more time than expected. That means it is passing only 5 test cases are remaining. These 5 test cases might be very large values of arrays where bubble sort takes exponentially large amount of time. So what I will quickly do is I will remove this set of code, and over here I'll just write merge sort. Okay, merge sort. I have written the code for the merge sort over here. I will just use the merge sort algorithm to get this thing entirely sorted. So this is the merge sort code, and I will be writing this code over here. I can compile now the entire merge sort. See, this particular code also works. So let's submit. Okay, so why we have to pass the parameters 0 and array or array dot length minus 1. Now we can submit our code. So merge sort, if you guys want to know how the merge sort works, you guys can go and check my previous videos. I have made a lot of videos and solved many problems using merge sort. You will be able to see that. What you can see, there is a merge array which uses to merge two arrays, okay, and there's a merge sort function which uses recursion to sort the left and the right half of an array. So the starting position is 0 and the ending position is length minus 1. That parameters have to be put. Okay. Now we are doing the sum. So this is how the merge sort works. Apart from that, you could have easily used the inbuilt sort method, but merge sort is being executed so that you guys can see that it will work efficiently. Now you can see for the test values 12, 34, 10, 6, and we will get a summation of 74, the second and second largest and second largest. For 10, 20, and 30, we'll get a 50. So if I just quickly put the values, see I have put the values 5, 12, 34, 45. So in this case, I will get the value as 79 because it's some different values. 4 plus 5 is 9 and 4 plus 3 is 7. And over here, the two largest values are 22 and 21. So if I just run this code, I will get, see the output is being written over here, 79, 43. Okay, so I will just show one more time so that you guys can see the test cases are passing. Okay, that means the summation of the largest and the second largest values are being displayed. So if you guys could understood this problem statement, make sure you guys like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for being there.